Hi, I'm Tom from AUDAC, and I'm very excited to introduce to you our new ALTI series. ALTI series is a series that consists out of two models, which one of them being a Pendant series, which is the 6-inch that we're looking at right now, and we also have it in a 4-inch model. Now, the unique thing about this product is it has a very elegant design. It's a two-way loudspeaker system. It has a dual safety steel cable integrated inside the sleeve, so it's very elegant. It has a cap also installed, so you don't forget it, and you can open it up inside and easily install the product itself. So this is the ALTI series, and if you look at the slogan, it says itself actually that we have over here. It says pure sound hanging around. Well, if you don't feel like hanging around, we also have it in a wall-mounted version. So the wall-mounted version I'm even more excited about because it has such a unique design to it. It has a fixed bracket that allows you to install it on the ceiling as you're looking at right now, or on the wall as we have here set up with the white model. The logo is completely rotatable with both of these series, and even the ones that is now wall mounted is also completely outdoor rated, so it has a watertight connection on the back. It's a very interesting series to have a closer look at. If you want to have more information, please visit audac.eu. I'm Tom, thank you for watching.